these are my friends Jellybean and Soccer. Hi, I'm Jellybean the doll.
Hi, I'm Soccer the doll.
And welcome to Jolie and Friends. Today on Jolie and Friends, we are going to talk about family. Do you know what a family is? Family is when you have a group of people coming together as one big group.
And it's when they bring the love and happiness together as one.
That's right. It's a group of people that brings us together as one big group, bring love and happiness as one. Do you know who's in your family? Family starts with two people being your parents.
Your parents are your mom and dad.
And you might have siblings.
And your siblings are your brothers and sisters.
You might have more than one brothers and sisters.
Or you might be an only child.
That's how family starts. It all starts with two parents being mom and dad and siblings being your brothers and sisters. There's more to family than just being your parents and siblings.
You might even have grandparents being your grandma and grandpa.
Your grandma and grandpa are your parents' parents.
You might have two sets of grandparents. For example, you have two grandmas and two grandpas.
Your mom has her own parents and your dad has his own parents. That's right. You have grandparents in your family. Do you have more relatives in your family? You might have an aunt or an uncle.
An aunt or an uncle are your parents' siblings.
Like their parents, they both have their own.
You might even have cousins.
Which happens to be your aunts and uncles' children.
And aunts and uncles can also be your parents' cousins too.
That's right. You have some other additions to the family. Do you have any others? There are others to the family.
Like, for example, you might have a great-grandparent which happens to be your grandparents' parents.
Or a great aunt and great uncle, which happens to be your grandparents' siblings or cousins.
You might have someone that is not your relative, but they are still your family no matter what.
Like, for example, your stepmother or stepfather.
Your step-aunt or step-uncle.
Your stepbrother or stepsister.
Your step-siblings or step-cousins.
Your legal guardian or your adopted parents.
Your foster siblings or adopted siblings.
And most important, your friends. Friends can be family and family can be friends. There is so much more to this family that meets the eye. Do you know your family? Yes, we do.
For we know that family is being all in one group.
And that family can make things happen.
If one person from your family left to do something bad,
don't think that this person is your family for that person choose to do something wrong.
Like leaving their own family behind.
That could be worse, but just choose to do what is right for your family.
So that it can bring family a lot closer and happier.
What did you learn today?